Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to save a Facebook video to your iPhone for offline viewing? Why Facebook doesn't offer a built-in download option? There are easy workarounds to help you get the job done. Here is a step-by-step guide. Firstly, you need to copy the video URL. Open the Facebook app and find the video you want to save. Tap on the share button and select copy link to copy the video's URL. Now open a browser. Open Chrome or any other browser on your iPhone and visit a site like savefrom.net. Next, paste the URL. Paste the copied Facebook video URL into the site's download feed and tap download. Download the video and then view it on your favorite media player. And that's it. Whether you use a third-party app, a browser-based downloader, or the shortcut app, saving videos on Facebook is straightforward. Enjoy watching your favorite videos offline. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and share to your friends. And I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.